Hey everybody, it's Cody with Adams Custom Wheels in Gainesville. We just got done with a 2007 Chevy Avalanche. We did a 2-inch rough country leveling kit on the front of this. We keep those in stock all the time here at Adams Custom Wheels in Gainesville for just about every truck you can think of from '04 on up to the current 2018. So that's just something to keep in mind. On this one we did a 20x10 fuel crush. It's a gloss black barrel and the DDT face, and we did Atturo trail blade tires, 285 50/20, and this is a package we had in stock. Had to do minimal trimming on the front after the leveling kit. We're running that 285 50. We keep those in stock all the time. That's a great size if you want to run 20x10s, or if you're driving a Tacoma 4Runner smaller truck. That's a great size. We keep it here in stock all the time. Give me a call at the shop, see what we can do for you. 678-971-1420, or call me direct, 770-940-2033. If you're riding around Gainesville, stop by and check us out. We're off of Brownsbridge Road, right next to Linux.